Hey guys, this is Mud Masher 1 here. Just wanted to show you my mud and lawnmower. It's a 15 horsepower overhead valve. These are all the gears. I just put a brand new paint job on it. Took me about a week. Finally got it done, and then now I gotta put some clear coat. But it's slowly coming together. Put some big tires on the back. I'm planning on making a mud and lawnmower. I already got the flame clear coated. Need a new front hood, so if anybody can find one that might be able to fit it, that'd be very helpful. That way I can get out and go mudding. It goes about 25 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. So please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos about my mud and lawnmower and me mudding. So if you just subscribe, you'll see some more amazing videos. Thank you.